Hi, Jenna. This is Tim Brennan from Woodstock Union High School. I hope you can hear me over my pellet stove that's grinding away in the background here. But let me just share with you my account information here, okay, at Woodstock Union High School. I've been kind of a prime investigator here in terms of some scores that seem a little bit funky to me, and I'm trying to make sense out of this. So if I go into my physical science section here, this 241501, and I'm going to go down to this student Manny Pacheco, and I'm going to show you some scores here. If I hover over the academic mastery, I get a 2.298 as a score at this point, which bins up to 2.33, and that makes sense. Here's my problem. If I go to the four academic standards, there's one for explaining, one for modeling, one for investigating, and one for analyzing. And they're in different transferable skills here, but I'm just going to look at the academic standards. For explaining, the raw score, which I assume is done by the decaying average we've selected, is 1.93128. And for modeling, 1.99421. For investigating, 1.72726. And for analyzing, 2.9421. I would assume that those four numbers for analyzing, investigating, modeling, and explaining, that if I average those, I should get, where is it? Here it is, 2.29802. When I average those four numbers, I get 2.14. It's not a huge difference, but I don't understand why I can't get much closer. I would assume a tiny bit of rounding error, perhaps, between however this number is being calculated and my straight up average of those four numbers. But a difference of 0.15 between what's shown here as the hovered score, 2.298, and my average of 2.14. That's puzzling to me, and I guess that's the dilemma. Manny is not unique. I can do this with many of my students. I had a spreadsheet the other day, but it's now out of date as I've entered some more scores. So I would share that with you, but I think it's just be we'd be chasing things there. So uh, hopefully this gives you a sense of what I'm thinking about. Um, this is what I see on the teacher's end. Uh, I don't think parents are seeing any of this, um, but I'm a little worried. If I can't understand how these um, academic standards are being averaged, if I can't really come up with the same number here, I worry that either I don't understand the system, or there's some funny additional scores that are creeping in to the calculation of the overall academic mastery. Okay, so that's what the struggle is. Hopefully you can help us with that. Thanks. Good luck.